Well, YouTube, my Ultraverse tires I'm testing and reviewing have showed up, so I'm going to unbox them right now. I'm not going to install them till like tomorrow or probably Monday. Today's Saturday. It's May 24, 2025. It's like about 12:30 in the afternoon. I have to order some tubes for these tires. I need to get some 20 by 4 inch tubes, so I don't want to try to like overinflate my 20 by 3 inch tube and then have my tube blow up inside the tire. That would be horrible. Let's see what I got here. I think I'm supposed to be getting 2 tires to review. I'm only going to be able to do one of them because it's not, I only have one wheel it's going to fit on. But let me see what I got here. Get these out of here. Yeah, let's see what the size is on these. I think these are 20 by 4s. What does it say? 20 by 4. But this will fit on my 20 by 3. It'll just it'll sit. It's going to sit a little higher. But I like the tread pattern. It's a bit more knobby than I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be more slick. So it'll have some good road grip, especially when I'm going around curves and stuff and turning. So less likely to slip and eat you know what on it. But these are pretty. This is pretty good looking. These are some good looking tires, dude. Holy crap! I didn't pay for these. They sent these to me to try. The brand is Ultraverse right there. There's Ultraverse. My camera's all crooked, dude. What the heck, Larry? How professional, bro? Really? I'm assuming there is a designated tread pattern. It looks like there is. Let me find the arrows. Where are my arrows at, guys? Probably on the side with all the branding on it. Let's see. Wait a minute. I can technically look at the tread pattern and figure out which way it's supposed to go. But let's not make assumptions. I'm looking for the arrows. Well, I'm assuming that the tread pattern is going to be in the direction of the lettering. But no, that wouldn't make sense because when you flip the tire around the other way, it's going to be facing the right way too. These are made in China, obviously. That's where most tires are made these days. These are actually like, these feel like my dual sports. The insides of these, like, these are some thick sidewalls. These are going to be interesting to get on my bike. These are some nice tires, man. I lucked out. I'm gonna go on Amazon. I got a refund for my other tire I returned, my other dual sport I returned since my motor didn't fit. I returned those yesterday on the motor and everything, so I'm gonna go online and I'm gonna look for something similar to this kind of tire, but for a front wheel, but like a 2.5 inch wide, because that's all that's gonna fit on my front wheel. I don't really need knobby tires anymore because I don't ride in the dirt, so something like this would be better anyway. But let me see what else is in the box. They may have sent some tire pulls with this. That's what I got with my tire I got from them. Let me see. This is the other tire. Same thing. That is a mean looking. Those are some cool looking tires, man. Apparently these, according to what they sent me, these retail for like $117. $117 for a set, and I got them free to do a test and review on. This is my first product I've had sent to me for e-bike related stuff that I'm testing and reviewing, and these are some good looking tires, man. These are some beefy, long lasting looking tires. Yeah, that's definitely that. If I'm looking at the width of the actual like tread pattern on the tire, and that definitely looks like it's gonna fit easily on my 3-inch rim. So that'll be good for electric owners that own like the XP2, 3, and now the 4. If this fits on there, it'd be a good long-lasting replacement tire, as opposed to the crappy Chow Yang or CST ones they tend to send out on those electric e-bikes. So let me see if there's anything else in here. Did they send tire pulls? Yep, look, this is what they got. Last time I got a tire from them, they sent me these tire pulls too. So I now have 4 of these tire pulls. Let me just get these out of here. Yeah. So yeah, this is awesome. And these tire pulls are okay. I still prefer to use mine because mine has like a rubber grip on it, so it's easier to grip onto. But I'm definitely going to be needing to use my tire pulls to get this tire on here because like I said, these sidewalls on these tires are way thicker than the Ultraverse kind of tire I already have. The Ultraverse tire I have is more like a cross between a dual sport and a bike tire, so it's much easier to get on. I'm thinking these might be a little bit more of a struggle, but like a worth it kind of struggle. But yeah, let me see. Yeah, this is what when you buy a tire from, they send you these really good heavy duty tire pulls. So, and they have two different kind of, like, I guess one side's a little thinner and one side's a little thicker. I'm assuming you just use this side of it with the hooks. The other side's just the other side, but. And when you buy tires and tubes from them, I don't know if they're still doing it, but they send you a QR code, and if you do an Amazon review and wait about a week, you can redeem the QR code, and they'll send you a free product, either a set of tubes, usually tubes. You get like a pack of tubes for free, just for doing a review with their product. So I think even this one has one. No, it came with an installation video, which I don't need. Yes, okay, let's see. It's Experience the Journey with Ultraverse Bicycle Fat Tire Installation Guide Road Dominator. That's what, I guess this one's called, the Road Dominator. Non-foldable, heavy-duty build. So they are tending. Oh, it does have a free gift on it. Oops. I'm gonna have to like not show that part, so you guys aren't like trying to scam them out of free tires. But I'm not saying you would, but you know, there are people that are there. I'll just cover it up. They are gearing their tires towards e-bikes, so it makes sense that they're building more durable tires. Comes with like instructions, the contents, pre-install checks, tire installation instructions, service and troubleshooting guide, riding safety tips, contact information. Most stuff I, being a seasoned e-bike rider, don't really need to know, but there's newbies that do need to know this information that could come in handy for you. Prepare the tire. Yeah, you just basically fluff it up with your hands and stuff if you want to. It's just talking about how sometimes your tires look a little warped when you first get them. You usually you can kind of hand straighten them a little bit. Let me see what else is in here. So you guys can see this QR code if you want, because this QR code's the wait a minute, where's it at? This QR code's the this QR code is just the installation. Scan for installation video, scan for installation video. So if you want to check out their installation video, there you go. You should be able to scan that off the video. Yeah, it's telling you how to just add a little bit of air every so often as you're pumping it up, which is what I normally do. Actually, no, I don't. I have an automatic pump. I just kind of work the tire into the rim while it's airing up. So yeah, so that's what you get. You get if you get the set, you get 2 tires, you get an instruction guide, and you get tire pulls. Tire pulls. Nice, heavy-duty, strong tire pulls for these kind of tires. And usually run like $17, $20 if you want to buy a set of them on Amazon. And these are like, these don't flex, man. These don't flex at all. These are like, let me grab one of them. There's like 0 flex to these things. Okay, well that's my little unboxing video I did for this unboxing of these new tires. I know I seem very amateurish. I'm still getting used to this type of stuff, and since this is my first product I'm going to review for an e-bike, it's kind of a learn as a go type thing for me. But anyways, alright, with that, remember to be super duper awesome. If you could like, subscribe, comment, share. Subscribers, thanks for hanging in there. New subscribers, welcome to the channel. Random viewers, consider subscribing. We've got over 3,000 videos free to watch. 99% of that is e-bike content, so enjoy. And with that, remember to have a wonderful wherever you are, and I will see you in my next e-bike video. Okay, bye.